Okay, the paper is dry, and we can go for another layer just to get more to details. Not every time you need to dry the water from the paper. Sometimes I like just to work wet in wet, but since we make a demo and I want to show you the nice process. I left a light here on the nose. Here the eyebrows, here is a little bit closer to the eyelid, upper eyelid. Now what I want to check is the distance between the eyelid, the lower eyelid, and the nose, just to make right proportions. This side and this side. Nostril. Upper lip. I check the distance here between the end of the eye to the beginning of the hair. Maybe it has to be a little bit narrow, like this. Okay, it goes this way, right? The head is just tilt this way, so to the jaws will go this way, then we come that way. Here we have the hair, the nose, and the earlobe, kind of the same line, but since she's having the tilt, okay, so I have the idea here. Now the brush. Now I put this red here. I want to put the red here to get connection between this part and this part of the painting, and some darks in this area. I need some darks here. So I'm not going so much into the details right now, just placement. You know, if you work with you make the drawing first, so you correct until you're satisfied, till it's done, and then you go with the brush. But in this case, we combine the drawing and the painting together. That's why I'm taking a little bit slower with the paint and with the brush. Blue, brown, some darks. Here I have the I like when it combined together. Need some darks here. Add some darks, Amir. Okay. As well the other side. And maybe I will put the colors here, darker in this area. So you see the drawing and the painting process is real time. This is not too slow or too fast. This is how I paint, and you get the real feeling of the time passing. I like this color. This is light, but sometimes when you put paint, you put the real strong value here, strong chroma, as you say. It is as light. Doesn't have to be kind of transparent with white of the paper. Bigger brush. Wash here. Okay. Now I take a bigger brush, just with water here. I don't want to put any more paint in this area because the focus is here. So we don't want to make too much weight on the side, but to separate this area from the background and from what's going on here and things that are happening when you paint or when you suddenly drop the brush. You know, it happens. Recently I found nice use of this rigger, which is a small brush. Doesn't take a lot of water, but you can play with it. You can do some nice things with this brush. Let's put this point and this point, and see what's going on in this area. There's an arc here. And here the iris is really going inside the upper lid. It's nice to see how the eyelid, where we have the light there, over there. Anyway, if you miss the to leave the white, which is not so, you can always put some use a white gouache and put the dot, the white dot, if you want. So to give back some ideas here. We think when we paint somebody's smiling, maybe the mouth is really open, but it's not that much. It's a little bit. No. Now, if you don't pay attention, she might look as if she's crying, because the same muscles for crying and laughing, smiling. So sometimes it is also in the eyes, the corner of the eyes, that you can see if she's smiling, and the shine that we see in the eyes tells us if the person is crying or smiling. Want to soften a little bit, just like this. It's really fun to use this brush, but not always recommended, because you can go too soon to details and to things that will distract you from the main idea of the painting, to see the whole shape first. So here it's a little bit too dry. To continue, I will dry it again. We make a 2 minutes break and we come back. Thank you.